Ladies and gentlemen, let's get right to it, man. Now, I ain't gonna lie to y'all, bro. A lot has already happened. Not with my trading, right? By the way, not with my trading. I have not pulled the trigger on anything. Just want y'all to see that. I have not pulled the trigger on anything. But, as y'all can see, man, we have already, like, had a 400 point, like, move today, right? Asia went crazy. London kind of accumulated. And now we got New York displacing as well. So, man, it's kind of hard for me to be like, oh, I'm bullish. You know what I'm saying? Like, let me look on these other time frames to see like what areas could we possibly be looking for price to retrace to before we even think about taking a bullish setup, man. It kind of sucks. I'm not gonna lie. It kind of sucks that it did that overnight. Part of me kind of wants to say something like this. Something like using this as like a breaker here. Then get this fair value gap. Wait for price to tap into this fair value gap to then continue higher possibly. That kind of sucks. Oh, Lord. Yeah, man. Can't stand when overnight it just moves like crazy, bro. Definitely don't want to see a 300 point sell off to equilibrium. Like if I want to be bullish, I don't want to see like a crazy sell off. I don't mind being bullish though. Being bearish. Like if we get us a little uni, maybe to the downside, might be able to do that. Cause let me see. Because we already know we're gonna take out those highs sooner, like those equal highs sooner or later. The question is now just becoming when are we going to, get up there? Or get up here to these equal highs, right? This is the draw I believe we're heading towards. Let's see what the news came out as. Bullish, bullish. That explains it. We got news at 10. We'll see, man. Well, my girl is incur. Every now and then I may slide on ES. Every now and then. It really just depends. These other two, YM and Gold, they're really like bops. But if I see something nice on them, I'll give them a try as well. But my main is incur. If I see a setup on incur, I'm more than willing to take it. I just gotta see. What I would want to see is something like this, y'all, like a higher time frame uni, right? Took out this low here, boom. That's your liquidity sweep. We'll use these last three bullish candles right here as a breaker. Get this fair value gap overlapping with the breaker. And see if we can get like a 1 hour uni, play off like a 1 hour uni setup, like on the 5 minute or 1 minute time frame. And see if we can take it higher to these, well, start drawing towards these equal highs. Obviously, I'm not going to hold an 800 point move, obviously. But see if we can start drawing to these. We do got some foes along the way. Like we got this bearish gap here. But then again, that's like almost 200 points away. That'll be, if we get the setup I'm looking for, that'll be I'll be out of there way before we get up here. But we gotta see. We're already inside. We're about. Well, yeah, we just tapped. Well, literally just wicked this fair value up here. So we gotta keep that in mind as well. Gotta keep that in mind. But if I start seeing some crazy bearish displacement, I'm not completely opposed to taking a sell. Because if we go to this 5 minute, yeah, we got some huge moves overnight. But this also looks like some accumulation in London, right? And so we could be having like a little AMD model type power 3 type thing. Accumulation, right? Manipulate higher to distribute back lower, possibly. I just wouldn't want to see that because I really don't want to sell until we trade like into some of these higher time frame like PD arrays, bro. Like what messed me up last week, why I really wasn't making money last week, was because I was expecting, some bullish setups, and every single day we just kept selling off. Like I wasn't expecting us to just sell every day. Well, we'll see. We got to react to the market. We ain't going to predict the market. As long as they don't be trying to leave us behind, we'll try to get us a setup today. As a reminder, y'all, there's going to be no stream tomorrow and Friday. Your boy is going to be back in Orlando for a little bit. And I'm not going to be streaming on the road. I'm not. So, yeah. With that being said, though, if I take any trades tomorrow or Friday, I will drop it in the community tab to keep y'all up to date on this account, man. Like I said, we've been going the wrong direction. Like the past 2 weeks. The past 2 weeks have been losing weeks for me, which kind of sucks. So hopefully we can get this week back on the right track. We started this week yesterday with the break-even trade. So let's see if we can catch us a dub today. And a big dub at that. To kind of eat up the past 2 weeks' losses. Looks like we're about to fully tap into that 4-hour fair value gap. Yeah, we just did that now. Right before we just literally wicked it. Now we've tapped into it for real. So it'll be nice to see. Really, it's a daily fair value gap actually. So it'll be nice to see how we react coming up out of here. ES had already tapped into this, I believe, yesterday or the day before. On Monday. So, and it had a decent reaction coming up out of there, creating, these equal lows down here. I think it is quite possible for ES to just sweep this high in here to then displace lower to take out these equal lows. It wouldn't be a complete shock to me. You know what I'm saying? Like creating equal lows with the previous week's weekly low, as you guys can see right here. That wouldn't be crazy to me. You know what I'm saying? To come back and sweep that. Even though we are inside of a weekly fair value gap. So I don't know. I mean, I can see it both ways, which always sucks. I hate when I can see things going both ways. All right, we got NQ at this order block right here. All right, swept the previous week's low. ES did not, so that's actually low-key some SMT, some bullish SMT. NQ weekly order block. ES fair value gap. NQ swept the low. ES didn't. That's bullish SMT. So now I'm low-key starting to be more bullish now that I just saw that. I'm glad I looked at that. Trading is all about putting the story together, y'all. So yeah, 100%. If we get like a retracement back into this 1 hour here, I'll look for a setup and see if we can catch some on these lower time frames. That'll be perfect too. We sweep this little low in here. Oh yeah, yeah, yeah. I'm liking the bullet setups if we can trade back into that fair value gap right there. I'm rubbing my hands together because it's looking nice now. It's looking real good. Yeah. And honestly, all these fair value gaps down here are kind of super small, bro. So in my opinion, like I'm not too worried about them coming back and trying to tap into these, even though they very well could. But we gotta keep in mind that would require like trading back to this one would be a 200-point sell off. And are they really about to? And if we really bullish, are we gonna sell off 200 points? Probably not, right? Probably not. We could, but probably not. But I will mark this out with like a little line real quick, so we can keep that in mind. Gotta catch a dub at some point on these live streams. So far, the live streams have either been L's or break-even trades. Gotta catch a dub at some point. I mean, I guess technically you can say the break-even trades were dubs because because I only go break-even once TP gets hit. Well, once TP1 gets hit. But I want y'all to see me like really catch a dub for real. And the sad thing is, bro, my break-even trades, once they hit TP1, it's almost like the doggone perfect TP because they immediately come back and stop me at break-even. So that's something to keep in mind as well. I might just have to start taking profit at TP1 and calling it a day. But I'm really trying to save that for after I pass this combine, because I'm trying to get this combine done as quick as possible, bro. I've been in this one in particular for way too long. But once I actually get the funded account, then I'm definitely going to be getting all out at TP1 9 times out of 10. Because at that point, it turns from, well, it goes from, oh, I'm trying to pass to I'm trying to get a payout. And getting a payout means I need to secure these profits for real, for real. So the mindset is going to be different in the funded. And if some of y'all are wondering why y'all haven't seen me on Instagram, it's because I deactivated my Instagram. I deactivated basically all of my social media. I'm going to be real. I'll be back one of these days. That's why I don't have it on the screen anymore. The Discord link is still in the description. Obviously, I'm still active on that. But yeah, I'll be back on Instagram one of these days when I feel like it. I'll be back on Instagram once I'm a millionaire trader and just completely shock the world, bro. I will say, ideally, I would not want this to close like this. I don't like how that's looking like a sweep on the 1 hour. I don't like that at all. Like I would want to see it close with like just a little bit more bullish momentum than that. I am also just trying to keep in mind, like, we're trying to think about, like, how likely is it for us to trade lower into these fair value gaps on these higher time frames? I wouldn't want to see it, but it is possible. Mm-mm. There's no bearish SMT yet. YM tapping into a 4-hour bullish fair value gap. After also tapping into a bearish one, so we're in between PDRAs on YM. And gold is just gold. Mm. Turn these notifications off. We're gonna be patient today, y'all. We're gonna be patient. YM does low-key have a low resistance liquidity run down here. And equal lows. If this close is looking like a sweep, y'all, we might have to be a little bit more patient. Because right now, I'm not liking how this 1 hour is looking. Like I said, I need like just a little bit more bullish commitment on this 1 hour candle. Right? Like, I don't want it to close with a long wick to the upside. You know what I'm saying? Like, I would love for it. Ideally, I would love for this to close above this high. I'm not saying that I won't still be bullish, but I'm just talking about like my best case scenario, right? Ideally, I would want it to close above there. but the market don't care about what I would ideally want. So I don't know when. Come on. Do what we want you to do. What's crazy is if I took this, bro, I would have to have like a doggone 100 something point stop loss. Oh, no, not even. 65 point ain't that bad. Nah, I'm playing. You will never catch me taking a trade with a 65 point stop. Not until I got like millions in the bank. Trading is like 90% waiting, bro. Yes, sir. Get up there and close where I want you to close so we can get the green light back. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Now, this is what I want to see. I want to see a candle closure above this level on the 1 hour. Ideally, for me to be super confident in buys. Mm-hmm. Keep doing it. What's gonna be hilarious is because y'all, the market likes to play with me, bro. They won't close above it; they'll close on the level, bro. Come on, do what I need you to do. I just think if I don't look at it, y'all, it'll do what I want it to do. Got 1 minute, y'all. What did I say? It's gonna close on the level, y'all. What did I say? If it does that, I'm gonna be freaking mad, bro. Oh my god. Shocker. Oh no, it closed slightly above it. I guess that counts. All right. Now all we need is a pullback into this 5-minute gap, and your boy will have a green light to pull the trigger on the setup. I mean, no, not a 5-minute gap, just 1 hour gap, excuse me. So basically a sweep of this low. Well, yeah, come on. Get down here immediately so we can get off early. We can get off this stream early. We can get us an early trade. Come on. The 4 hour closed above it too. That's good. I would truly hate if like this pullback into this 15-minute gap was it, and they just took off from there. That would be tragic. Because then we would have to find something. $35, $44. There is some bullish SMT down here. I don't know, y'all. We starting to get some displacement through this high. If we get a fair value gap, I might try it. Might. That is keyword might. The only reason I'm thinking about it is because we have some bullish SMT down here, and in order for this low to get swept, that SMT would have to fail. And if we are truly bullish, it's probably not going to fail. But then again, we also got bearish SMT. I'ma chill, bro. I'ma chill. I'ma chill. I'ma wait. I'ma chill. Yeah, I'm trying to get me a bullish setup. We can tape read this. This might be it, y'all. I'm not gonna take it, but that might be the move. If this does respect and start displacing higher, okay, yeah, nah. If this does respect and start displacing higher, I might have to get in on that second displacement leg. I'm not gonna get in on this. Took a demand. Somewhere up in here. Good stuff, bro. Look at that. Yeah, y'all. If we start displacing off of this, I might have to get in on that second one. I'm not gonna get in on that first one though. I'm gonna be honest. This is a good initial respect though. But yeah, I'm bullish as well. I'm trying to catch me something. Yeah, but what I'm thinking is, I feel like we going like up here. The reason being, we got NQ at this weekly order block, and then we got ES at this daily fair value gap. We also got bullish SMT between ES and NQ on the weekly time frame. Excuse me, this weekly fair value gap. We got bullish SMT. NQ took out previous week's low. ES did not. So I'm kind of bullish. I ain't gonna lie, but I was hoping to get just a clean setup without me having to really, I don't want to say chase, but for lack of a better word, chase it. But I mean, technically everything down here is already balanced, at least on the 5-minute chart. We do got SMT at these lows too, which is kind of making me be like, there's no reason for them to really come down here and sweep this low. Decisions. That bearish SMT is gone. All right, bro. Oh my God, we just be buying literally at the top, bro, and I hate that. Can't stand that, bro. We just can't get a little pullback down here, y'all. Just a little one. Just a little one. You know what I'm saying? I would really hate to miss the move, bro. I gotta be able to justify my entry, man. Like, come on, man. Like, give me something. SMT is just when you see two correlating assets. So in this case, ES and NQ. NQ, as you can see, made a higher low. ES at the same time made a lower low. So theoretically, they're supposed to be moving in unison together. So when you see an SMT, that's essentially showing a break in the quote unquote algorithm, right? And so that's just a manipulation to continue higher. SMT at the lows is bullish. SMT at the highs is bearish. Why are they gonna make this difficult, man? We do got that opening range gap from last week that was kind of crazy. I mean, I said that gap might be the only thing. So far, it's looking like it's working out. I need to see just a little bit more. But if he took that, well, you would have been up so far 30-something points. Maybe if this 5-minute leaves this gap, maybe. Yes, sir. No problem, man. Of course, they're about to close the 5-minute gap, making it even harder to make a decision. Maybe we will get what I want to see after all. What's pissing me off though is like, now we leaving this as well. That's gonna piss me off. Dang, this 30-minute already tapped into this. We gonna be patient, y'all. We ain't gonna get baited into anything. We're gonna wait for a clean setup. We gonna be patient. We ain't about to get baited into no setups, bro. They are not about to get us, bro. Look at YM. YM said it's gone, bro. I can see being bullish on YM too, low key. Wait, what? What is this? Oh, okay. I was tripping up. I was like, wait, what is that? Yeah, man, this year has definitely been it's definitely been a different type of year for trading. I'll say that for sure. It's been weird. Just give us a setup, please. You don't care about no two on the EMA. You don't care nothing about that. I mean, it would be nice to see like just some type of sweep of a low. Got to. I mean, the market is gonna mirror itself. It's not gonna do this huge drop and then not displace back up higher. So we just gotta see if we can time it right, man. I just love how the market just does not do what I want it to do. I want to be bullish market, but you gotta help me help you. Yeah, I can see that happening. Like if it wants to continue going lower, but I would want to see it like at the very least, like we can just do from this displacement leg here, right? We already retraced back to consequent encroachment of that leg. If we're gonna do like just the whole leg entirely, then either up to this order block right here, or in this fair value gap that's in OTE, right? That's where I would want to see price like retrace to before I even think about like selling. So I think it is possible we could, you know, just be a retracement to keep selling, but I want to see a retracement up there. All right, I'm liking this displacement right here. If we keep this fair value gap and maybe even close above this high, like this next candle, your boy might. I'm about to stop talking through what I'm trying to do, bro, because I feel like they just stream sniping me, and they do the exact opposite. Yeah, weekly we're bouncing off an order block right now. Let me see what this will look like, bro. It's not horrible. I might give this a shot, y'all. Yeah, I am gonna give it a shot. This is just the best case scenario target. I gotta say that all the time, but y'all, I may not hold it for that much. I'm gonna put the limit on. Let's see if we can come back to here and tag us in. Just don't leave us, please. The reason why I'm going 2 contracts, y'all, is I'm low-key upping the risk, bro. I feel like I'm playing it safe too much. I'm going to up the risk a little bit. And, because honestly, I'm tired of this particular combine. I'm just going to be honest with you. So, I'd rather blow it and just start a new one or get this thing done, bro. Don't need luck, just God, man. Five-minute order block. Good God. You got to capitalize that G, man. The big one, not the little one. Looking like it's coming back. Brother, please. Oh my God. Don't do it to us. You know what, bro? We're going to do one, and we're going to look for a chance to, like, just add into this position. If we can, just please. Just because looking at these other time frames, I low-key want my stop loss to be up under here. Like up under those lows. So we'll start off with 1. And then, come on, get down here. Start off with 1 and then, you know, add to it or look for a place to add to it if we get a chance. I got to get a W at some point on stream. It can't all just be break even and losses. I'm just moving this up. Again, y'all, best case scenario. This ain't going to be where it stays. Actually, let me just leave it where it's at. We're going to give a long a shot, man. Risking 560 currently. That may go up. We are leaving a 15-minute gap. That could be bad for us, not gonna lie. The 15-minute gap is literally where my stop loss is at. I'm gonna wait, see if we can trade back into this, but we'll watch to see if that literally gets me left behind. If we displace off of this, I'll enter. Only thing that's keeping me a little nervous is this gap we're about to leave behind here. I don't like that. I don't like that at all. We'll see though. Past couple weeks I've been making the wrong decision on these charts. We'll see if I made the right one today. I'm gonna pass on this for now. Just because I can see a scenario where we sweep these lows into that 15-minute gap, create a setup off of that. It might even like create some SMT between ES and NQ, possibly. Thing about me the past couple weeks, y'all, is like I've been getting the direction right. It's just my timing has been slightly off, and so I'm trying to get my timing right. I don't want to get stopped out just to see it go higher, right? Or to see it do what I wanted to do in the first place. I want to get my timing down. I could be making a wrong decision. We displaced off of this. Your boy just enter and just pray to God we don't come off of this. Come back for this. Look at it go, bro. I don't know. It's low-key looking like I made the right decision right now, at least. Just inverse that gap. I probably would have closed it right there because the PD array I'm using is failing. I think we made the right decision on stream, ladies and gentlemen. Finally. Psych. Psych. The market's like, you thought you made the right decision. We about to shoot up right now. What we about to do, man? We got this baby fair value gap right here. Super baby fair value gap on the 15-minute. The sole reason I didn't take this trade. We can come back into that and displace higher. I'll do it. Yeah, I would love to see like a sweep of these lows in this 15-minute gap, then displace higher. I would love that. If we can get that, if the market would be so kind. And that's like the only type of setup I could see like that has just some merit to it without just, you know what I'm saying, trying to get in because you don't want to get left behind. But I'm glad I didn't take this. So we can just go ahead and delete this. Give us a sweep of that with some displacement higher. Your boy will take the trade, pull the trigger on it. No questions asked. 10, 12. So this is that same low on ES. Wait. Right here. We'll put an alert on this. See if we can get this. Come on. Give me something I can be 100% confident in. Nah, don't do that. 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 Yeah. Come on. I said, the only reason I didn't take that setup is because of this 15-minute gap. Right? If all of this was just balanced in here, I would be taking that setup and I would have been cool with that. But since we have this gap, I gotta wait and see what happens with this. We could very well not trade into this and I'll just get left behind, which would suck, but I'm trying to be disciplined, man. I'm trying to, you know what I'm saying? Trying to make sure every single trade I take has merit, bro. And the merit isn't just me, oh, I don't want to get left behind. Because that's how you get cut up in these markets. You start trying to chase, you end up blowing your account. Oh my God. A scenario in which I can say, forget that. If we displace through this high, bro, your boy might just give it a shot, but I'm only going to do one contract. Do one contract. That way, if it does end up coming back down here, I give myself another chance to take it, possibly. Cause I don't think it's gonna come back down here, y'all. It's looking like they are ready to go. Just looking at ES and NQ and YM, it's looking like they all just ready to blast off, bro. Depends on how this candle looks, though. If this third candle don't look good, I'm just gonna. Yeah, no. I don't like that candle at all. I don't like how we close back inside the range after sweeping that high. No, sir. I don't know, y'all. I might just have to sit on my hands today if I don't get what I want to see. This could very well play out. I'm just not liking the structure. Come on, man. Just give us a sweep of those lows. No, you want to. gotta kill a hornet, y'all. Give me a second. There's a wasp in here. Where did this man just go, bruh? Hang on, y'all. I don't know where this thing just went, bruh. It's a wasp in here somewhere, bruh. You better hope I don't catch him. Yeah, it's a wasp in here somewhere, bro. But yeah, man, it's looking. We'll see what this 5 minute does. We create a fair value gap here. I'll take something off for 1 minute on that, man. I just gotta have some higher time frame merit, bro. I just don't want to be taking displacements on the 1 minute, bro, without something with me. You know what I'm saying? Like I was hoping for a sweep of this, we didn't get that. Right? I was hoping for a strong displacement through this high, we didn't get that. You know, so like we're just not getting what I want to see. Bro, that wasp got up out of here fast, man. All right, bro. Don't let me catch you, wasp. Because if I catch you, it's over with. If I catch you, it's over with. And you're going to be screaming for your friends to help. And they ain't going to be nowhere to be found. I don't know why you decided to come into the house, gang. Aw, gang. I see you now, gang. I gotta kill you, gang. Oh, shoot, I just lost him again. Gang. Poor guy. Good Lord, he blended in. I can't see that, man. I lost him again, I ain't gonna lie. Oh, there he is. Oh, I got something for him. Watch this. Hang on. Because I think I might be a little too, because he on the curtain. Dang, where'd he go? Bro, this man is fast, bro. Where'd he go? I got something for him, y'all. Because he on the curtain. I ain't going to be able to really get him for real. But this going to be able to get him. I got something for him. I got something for him. This man is in the dark crevices of the curtain, bro. I cannot see. Hang on. Hey, gang. GG, bro. GG, because it's over with for you. That's right, gang. It didn't have to be this way. I'm sorry y'all had to see me kill that on stream, man. It didn't have to be that way. But he came into the wrong room, to be honest. I had to do it to him. All right, we tapping into this 5-minute gap. This is a strong bearish candle, though. My God. Yikes. That's a strong bearish candle. I ain't gonna lie to you. Oh, we might get that sweep after all, ladies and gentlemen. It's like they don't care about that 5-minute gap at all. I think we may get that sweep after all, y'all. And if we do, I already told y'all what I'm looking for. Sweep, displace, in. That's it. Y'all see that watch come in, I had to put on long sleeves, had to put on a do-rag, cover my ears, you know what I'm saying? I had to get ready. If we inverse this 5 minute gap, we're for sure. We're for sure gonna get this sweep. They didn't care about that 5 minute gap at all, bro. That's crazy. I bet. Got 4 minutes until the next macro. Tapping into this. I would love to see this. Or possibly tap into this. I would love to see that, send that down into this liquidity, so then we can then take us a little buy. Mm-mm-mm. Just give us what we want to see, man. Possibly. I'm trying to wait and see if we can sweep these lows inside of this 15 minute gap, which is what this little box is right here. Let me make this smaller. See if we can sweep these lows inside of this 15 minute gap. See if we can displace higher to then get on this move back to the upside. Originally, I wanted to see us retrace back into this 1 hour gap, this little 1 hour uni, but I don't know. We getting towards the end of my day. You already know how I feel about taking trades after 11. I'm trying to get this macro a chance though. When this macro comes through, see if we can just get what I want to see immediately, or if I just got to keep sitting down waiting. If I got to keep sitting and waiting, I'm off of here at like probably like 11:10, 11:15. I ain't gonna lie. I kind of was expecting this to be a slow day just because we moved like 400 points overnight, which sucks. I can delete some of this stuff. It wouldn't shock me if some of this stuff plays out in like PM. But y'all know I don't trade PM session no more. I am reformed. I no longer go against my rules to trade PM. All right, let's see what this macro does. If we get a sweep, I'd love that with some displacement higher. We get the green light. Try one long. No, man. Oh my God. Get down here, bro. Like, stop wicking down here. Get down here. Yeah, it really is. Incur has about 18 minutes to do what I wanted to do. Had to kill a wasp on stream, bro. Imagine it told all his friends like I open my windows. Well, open my blinds and it's like a million of them out there. And they like ready to run up on me. They like, oh, we waiting for you to come outside, gang. We waiting for you to come outside. Who is this? Just a J. Who's this? They have to have just joined the Discord. What are you trading the Bop Gold? He traded YM. Alright, ES just took that low. It's looking like NQ is about to take it as well, so it's not about to be any S and T. you're an inverse fair value gap trader, this little entry right here would have been nice for you. All right, NQ just took that low inside of this 15-minute gap. Let's see what that does, y'all. Honestly, if this doesn't play out how I want it to, as far as like getting displacement higher, your boy is off. NQ has 5 seconds to decide its fate, bro. Oh my God. Yo. I'm trying to think, like, can I see a scenario where we sell off? Not really. We took the previous weekly low on NQ. ES didn't. So that's bullish SMT there. We got bullish SMT here. A free concert. This man better not say Fortnite either. No fair value gap yet, so we're still waiting. Come on, displace. Yes, 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 yes. This is what we want to see, kind of. Need a little bit better than that, but so far so good. I don't want this little baby gap. Give me something better than that now. You might have to roll with the 2 minute if the 2 minute ends up looking better. Let's see. Oh my God. This looks good though. This is a beautiful rejection coming out of here so far. Like on the 15-minute candle itself. All right. It's not looking good on the 1 minute or the 2 minute, so we just gotta wait still. What would this look like? I can't stand these small fair value gaps, man. I might do this. We're going for a 200-point move, y'all. 200 points. Nothing more, nothing less. I'm just kidding. I just wish the 1 minute gave us like a clear fair value gap, bro. Like, come on. Y'all know y'all could have gave it to us. This is looking good though. This is the reaction I wanted to see off of that 15-minute gap. Like just immediate rejection. They not like us. All right, all right, all right, all right. Do we put one on when we come back into here? If we come back into here, or do we? I like this 3-minute gap better. Just how it looks so far. I no longer like it better. I mean, my God. New 5-minute candle. Imagine we don't get an entry. Wouldn't that be crazy? We might have to play something different, like a change in the state of delivery, which would make our stop loss insane. What's the DXY doing? Finally started rejecting that daily fair value gap, and now it's looking like it's trying to go lower. That's good for the indices. That's good for us to be bullish on the indices. What this closes? I'm about to go to a 4-minute chart. Come on, macro. Give me something I can enter off of. God. It's not looking great, y'all. It's not looking great at all. It's looking like your boy about to be done for the day. They got 5 minutes to give me a setup I can pull the trigger on. It's about to give us the change in the state of delivery. In the state of delivery. Acting like I can't freaking speak. There's your CISD right there. CISD coming off of a 15-minute fair value gap. I wouldn't want my stop loss to be way down here though, bro. Like that is insane. That's a $920 stop with one contract. Part of me just feels like, see, I hate when I gotta guess where to put my stop loss, bro. Maybe up under here. This low on the 1 minute, and if we get stopped, then tough. So this last bearish candle, they may not even give us an opportunity. All right, if we get a pullback into here, I'll enter. My stop loss would literally just be up underneath this bearish candle. The last bearish candle, since that's a low on the 1 minute. It's looking like I'm not going to get it though, to be honest with you guys, so I'm going to have to worry about this. It's super late, man. Yeah, no, I don't like that. I'm gonna call it, y'all. I'm gonna call it. We kind of got what I wanted to see, just didn't get a very clear entry, man, that I liked. Like as y'all can see, we got the sweep of those lows I was talking about, but it wasn't a fair value gap to enter off of course. So I'm gonna go ahead and call it, man. I'm good on that. You got some bearish SMT currently, but again, I wasn't looking to short today, so I'm gonna go ahead and call it right there, man. No stream tomorrow, no stream Friday. I'll let you guys, well, I'll keep you guys updated, you know, in the community tab, as far as what trades I take on those days. But yeah, man, I'm not liking what I'm seeing right now, so I'm gonna go ahead and call it. And I will catch you guys on. I should be back on Monday, so I will catch you guys on Monday, man. Ready to make some money. So that's all I got, man. Y'all have a good day.